In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Acrobat not responding. Now, let's face it, there's nothing quite as frustrating as trying to open a PDF, only to find that Adobe Acrobat is simply not cooperating. Whether you're attempting to meet a deadline or just trying to read through a document, we're going to guide you step by step on how to get Adobe Acrobat back on track in just a few minutes. First things first, let's start by opening your Task Manager. This is an essential step because it allows you to see all the processes currently running on your computer. To do this, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard. Once the Task Manager window pops up, you'll find a list of all the applications and background processes that are active. Now, what you want to do is look for any processes related to Acrobat or Adobe. This includes anything that might have stalled or is running in an unresponsive state. So, while you're in the Task Manager, carefully scan through the list for any mention of Acrobat. Once you've located it, the next step is to select it and click on End Task. This action will essentially shut down Acrobat processes that may be causing the holdup. Don't worry, as this won't affect your files negatively. Rather, it helps to refresh the application completely. Next up, it's time to relaunch Adobe Acrobat. By doing this, you'll be starting with a clean slate and, hopefully, eliminating the issues you were experiencing before. With the application open, head over to the very top left corner of your screen and click on the menu. From there, navigate to the Help section. This is where you'll find the option to Repair Installation. Clicking on this will initiate Adobe's built-in repair function. It's a nifty tool designed to detect and fix common problems that might be causing the application to freeze or become unresponsive. Go ahead and follow the prompts provided. They're usually straightforward, guiding you step by step through the process. Now, in some cases, you might be required to restart Adobe Acrobat once the repair is complete. If prompted, make sure to do so. Restarting the software allows any changes or fixes to take full effect, ensuring that your Adobe Acrobat is back to running smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it. With these steps, you should have resolved the issue of Adobe Acrobat not responding. Remember, software can sometimes act up, but a little patience and the right approach can quickly help get things back in working order. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more practical tech solutions.